How to scan a QR code on Instagram. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to scan a QR code on Instagram. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. You will just go first and you open Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open, you will go down here on your profile and click. Then you will go to this three line and click QR code. Then this is your QR code. You will go here down, scan QR code. You will click, and now the camera will open, and as you see here my hand, you can scan your QR code here, and you can use pictures. If you have QR code in picture, you will use it here, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.